Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before introduction myself, my name is Muhammad Arhaf, MPN 244111060, Class Management 24A. Hello everyone. Here I will explain material about understanding law and business law. Understanding law and business law and introduction. Law is the system of rules and regulation established by governmental authorities to regulate behavior, protect rights, and maintain order within society. It serves as the foundation for functioning application, providing a framework for resolving disputes, enforcing contract, and ensuring justice. Business law, a specialist branch of this broader legal system, focuses specifically on the rules, regulation, and principles that govern commercial transactions, corporate operation, and entrepreneurial activities. This comprehensive presentation explores the essential concept of law and business law, examining the fundamental principle, classification, practical application, and real-world implication for business of all sizes. Whether you're an entrepreneur launching a startup, a manager navigating corporate compliance, or a professional seeking to understanding the legal environment, this guide provides the knowledge necessary to make informed decisions and mitigate legal risks. To choose the story, legal systems have evolved to address the complexities of human interaction and commerce. Today's business landscape demands a sophisticated understanding of how law operates, the different state of legal frameworks, and the specific regulation that apply to commercial enterprise. By mastering these fundamentals, organization can operate more effectively while protecting their interests and fulfilling their obligation. The fundamentals of law, concept and classification. Rule of law, the principle that all individuals and institutions are subject to and accountable under the law, with no one standing above it. This ensures equal protection and fair treatment for all citizens. Justice, the fundamental goal of legal system to ensure fairness, equity, and proper remedy when rights are violated. Justice considers both procedural fairness and substantive outcome, legal right, protection, and entitlement grants to individuals and entities by law. These include property right, personal freedom, contractual right, and statutory protection that define what people can legally claim or do. Legal obligation, which on responsibilities imposed by law that require individuals and organizations to act in specific way or refrain from certain action. Violation of this obligation can result legal consequences. Major classification of law. Civil law addresses disputes between private parties, including contract, property matters, family law, and torts. The goal is typically compensation or specific performance rather than punishment. Civil cases require a preponderance of evidence standard. Criminal law deals with offense against society as a whole, processed by government authorities. Crimes range from misdemeanors to felonies, with consequences including fines, imprisonment, or restitution. The burden of fraud is beyond a reasonable about constitutional law. Interprets and applies the Constitution, establishing the structure of government, defining powers and limitations, and protecting fundamental individual rights. It serves as the supreme law from which all other law derive authority. Administrative law governs the operational and authority of government agencies. It establishes procedures for regulatory complaints, licensing, permits, and appeals. Administrative law grants executive, legislative, and judicial powers. Diving into business law, key address and application. 1. Control law. Government the formation, interpretation, and enforcement of agreement between parties, essential for business transaction, employment relationship, vendor agreement, and customer dealing. Contract law ensure promises are enforceable and disputes are resolved fairly. 2. Corporate law address the formation, governance, and operation of business entities including corporation, partnership, and limited liability companies. Cover shareholder right, board responsibilities, merger and acquisition, and regulatory compliance recruitment. 3. Employment law regulates the relationship between employers and employees, including hiring practice, workplace safety, compensation, benefits, discrimination, prevention, and termination procedure. Protect workers' rights while establishing employer obligation. 4. Intellectual property law protect creation of the mean including patents, trademarks, copyright, and trade secret, critical for business developing innovation, brands, or proprietary information. If law enables companies to protect competitive advantage and manage intellectual assets. 5. Regulatory compliance ensures business adhere to industry-specific regulation, environmental standard, consumer protection law, and tax recruitment compliance preference penalties, maintains regulation, and demonstrates corporate responsibility to stakeholders. 6. Commercial transaction encumbers sales of goods and services, sexual transaction, and commercial paper. This law provides standards framework like the Uniform Commercial Code to facilitate business dealings and reduce transaction costs. Navigating the legal landscape. Practical insight for business. 1. Establish legal compliance framework. Create comprehensive policies and procedures that address all applicable laws and regulations relevant to your industry. Document text witness clearly. Communicate and talk with the organization and ensure regular updates as laws change. A strong compliance framework demonstrates commitment to legal assurance and provides defense against regulatory violation. 2. Invest in legal counsel and expertise. Engage qualified legal professionals who understand your industry and business model, whether through in-house counsel or external firms. Expert guidance helps identify potential risks, ensures contract adequacy, navigatory complex regulation, and provides strategic advice. Preventive legal work cash for less than litigation for regulatory penalties. 3. Conduct regular legal audits. Periodically review contract, employment agreement, intellectual property, registration, license, and compliance procedures. Identify gaps or outdated provisions that may create liability. Regulator audit ensure your legal investor remain current with changing laws and business evolution. Develop employee legal training program. Educate staff about relevant legal recruitment, ethical standard, and company policies. Training program covering and discrimination, data protection, and regulatory compliance create awareness through the organization and reduce violation. Document training demonstrates the diligence. 5. Document everything thoroughly. Maintain clear record of business decision, contract, communication, and compliance activities. Documentation provides evidence of good faith, fight compliance, supports decision making material, and provides infallible in dispatch or investigation. Secure document management system protect sensitive information. Okay, that's enough explanation from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.